Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen noodle soup chicken flavor. First, gather your ingredients: 1 packet of ramen, 2 cups of water, and a small pot. You might also want an egg, some vegetables, or a protein to enhance your meal. Make sure you have a stove and a spoon ready for stirring and serving. Now, let's get cooking. Pour 2 cups of water into your small pot and bring it to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add your ramen noodles. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become tender and separate. Once your noodles are tender, it's time for the magic. Turn off the heat and open your chicken flavor packet. Sprinkle the seasoning into the pot and stir it thoroughly until it's fully dissolved and mixed. Carefully pour your delicious ramen into a serving bowl. This is also the perfect moment to add any extra toppings you love. Your homemade chicken ramen noodle soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while it's hot and comforting. Remember to be careful, as both the soup and noodles will be very warm. Feel free to customize your bowl with a dash of hot sauce, a drizzle of sesame oil, or any other favorite additions. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.